Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ta Sorkar jilla kalaong ba kadang yai Buddien bat pet ngor bha ye ke jingkno Halor ka Jingshah Ktah ni shapen wit ya ki Kynthei ki Wailad Kriket. Menteri Ketanat Nongïalehkai uba Wailad miki shala uloong ba ka jilla kamsha ya ki nu ki jingle bomman lani kadon ye ka policy zero tolerance persha Nongïalehkai Kynthei bat ulapin tikna ba anshim ki sen jam ki bating e ladalab ba ki jingkno ki long ki ba shisha Henry menteri uloong ba kampat dei kapor ba ka Sorkar kan tuklar ha ka ni ka khep namar ka jing tokit kadang yat persha ya ki katu kat ni ki he barim jong ka Nongïalehkai Cricket Association uba Wailad uloong ba ka Sorkar kan apshwa ka kai phot bat ka jinglap jong ka jing tokit shwa ban shim ya kanu karai.
No, because I think they are all, I think the president is already on the job with with the youth, so they will be sending the inquiry. So unless the inquiry comes, so I think it's not wise for me to give any comment on that. But we are quite strict and we want to make sure that no such thing should happen in whether in cricket or any other sport association or anywhere. So we are very sure of that, and then but we need to wait for the inquiry.